Indeed, I wait silently for God. My salvation comes from Him. Indeed, He is my rock and my salvation, my secure refuge. I will never be greatly shaken. How long will you assault a man in order to murder him? All of you are as dangerous as a leaning wall, a stone wall ready to collapse, for they consult together to topple him from his high position. They take pleasure in lying with their mouth. They bless, but inside they are cursing. Selah. Indeed, I wait silently for God, because my hope comes from Him. Indeed, He is my rock and my salvation, my secure refuge. I will never be shaken. Upon God depends my salvation and my glory. My strong rock, my refuge is God. Trust in Him at all times, O people. Pour out your hearts before Him. God is a refuge for us. Selah. The sons of man are a mere breath. The sons of mankind are a delusion. When laid together on the scales, they are lighter than a mere breath. Do not trust his exhaustion or put false hopes in robbery. If your wealth increases, do not set your heart on it. Once God has spoken, twice I have heard this, that strength belongs to God. Also, loyal love is yours, O Jehovah, for you repay each one according to his deeds. O God, you are my God. I keep looking for you. I do thirst for you. I am faint with longing for you. In a dry and parched land where there is no water. So I have looked upon you in the holy place. I have seen your strength and your glory, because your loyal love is better than life. My own lips will glorify you. Thus I will praise you all my life. In your name I will lift up my hands. I am satisfied with the best and choicest portion, so my mouth will praise you with joy on my lips. I remember you while upon my bed. I meditate on you during the watches on the night. For you are my helper, and I shout joyfully in the shadow of your wings. I cling to you. Your right hand keeps fast hold on me, but those who seek destroy my life will descend into the depths of the earth. They will be handed over to the power of the sword. They will become food for jackals. But the king will rejoice in God. Every person swearing by him will exult, for the mouth of this speaking lies will be silenced. Hello everyone, how are you? I just read from Psalms 62 and 63 chapter. This is from Book of Bible. I wish everyone all the best.